Here are my top 3 effective survey questions for post-meeting feedback. Question number 1 is, was the content of this meeting useful today? Now, this is the main thing that you want to get across to your audience, to see if what you were telling them was relevant and useful. Now, question number 2 is finding out specifically which part of the meeting your audience found most useful. So I've just gone ahead and done another multi-choice type question with this title: which part did you find most useful? The final question I've added to this post-meeting feedback survey is an open text question type with the question title, anything more to add. Now, by asking your audience this, they can add any kind of things that they want to see improved with the meeting going forward, anything that they really liked, anything that they disliked, and it just gives your audience a nice open text forum up to 2,000 characters long to really give you a detailed answer. And that is it. Once you've programmed those 3 questions within your Vevox survey and pressed the Start Survey button, this is how the survey is going to look for your audience. Really nice and simple, 3-question survey. How useful was the content today? They can vote on there. Which part did you find most useful? And if they have anything more to add, you can add it in this field at the end here. Once they press the Submit button, the survey is completed, and that data will now be in your Vevox dashboard for you to go and analyze and look at afterwards. Now, we do recommend making these end of meeting feedback evaluation surveys nice and short to give you the most amount of time and the most opportunity for your audience to go ahead and fill those in. Nobody wants a really long survey at the end of a meeting. Our advice is to keep it nice, short and sweet. That's it for today's video. I hope that was useful, and we'll see you on the next tips video.